The president is well known for apparently liking a laugh. But the SABC doesn't appear to have a sense of humor over this advert, which depicts Zuma and his family enjoying a budget meal.
Oh, Zuzulicious, silly fish and chips like a shaba today.
There is a lot of good food here. It is from the Fish and Chip Company. Nibaningi like at only 25 rand. Even Plavin will approve this.
The company behind the advert says it had a deal with the SABC to flight the ad, but at the last minute, the public broadcaster refused.
You know, with the SABC banning the ad before it's even flighted, to us is a bit astounding, quite honestly. You know, freedom of speech is one of the pillars of this country's, and particularly this country's democracy. So we think that to make that unilateral call on behalf of the entire South African population, we just think that that's a bit wrong.
The SABC struggled for several hours to publicly comment. In the end, the public broadcaster said it was not because it was insensitive, but because the president's cartoon image couldn't be seen to be endorsing a product. The SABC has defended its decision not to air the commercial, saying the advert implies the president has endorsed the Shaba fish and chips budget meal, and it cannot be certain that Zuma gave Taste Holdings permission to promote the special. And that's the official explanation the SABC would like us all to swallow, hook, line and sinker. Narissa Subramani, Johannesburg.